Hello and welcome back to my channel, Cards by Melissa Minor. I want to start off today by making a mixed media background. So I have this Shimmerz Paints and this is the color Berry Smart. Here's the picture I want to scrapbook. My daughter Tatum is in the back seat, she's the brunette, and then her best friend Kendall's on the left and then her other friend Ava's on the right. So it was just a fun day for them out and about in a convertible. And so that's the picture I want to scrap today. I am making her an 8.5 by 11 scrapbook of all of her high school memories. So this will go in her sophomore album. All right, to start off this mixed media layout, I have a piece of distress paper. It's actually called Distress Watercolor Cardstock. It's heavyweight and it holds watercolor very well. So I'm taking my paintbrush and dipping it into the Shimmerz Berry Smart paint color, and then I'm using the packaging technique where I'm adding the paint to the package and then I'm adding a little bit of water and just smooshing it all around. Now you will notice that I did go ahead and add some pencil lines where my photo was going to be. So I just want to outline with the Shimmerz paints where my photo, all along where my photo is going to be. So this is my first month of subscribing to the Shimmer Paints paint subscription. So I have their July 2024 paint collection, and this Berry Smart Shimmerz paint came in that collection. I also received the Squeeze the Day Color Splash, No Yokings Colorings, Evergreen Shimmers, and good old Summertime Creamies. I love the names. I think the names of the paints are almost just as fun as the painting itself. So I'm going to continue here with this packaging technique, just getting paint until I'm happy with the color. And now I'm actually adding some splatters. So I'm dipping my smaller paintbrush into the paint with a little bit of water and just tapping the brush because I want some more color on here, some richer color. So I love the look of the splatter, so I'm going to continue splattering all along the page here. And I think this is looking really good. So you'll see here I'm also adding a little bit of the paint to my glass board here and a little bit of water and continue splattering. So you don't have to be a professional to use the mixed media. Just go with what works for you. So I don't consider myself a professional. I'm actually a newbie, and it is so fun just to paint and explore and just have fun with it. All right, the paper pack I'm using today, this is by Echo Park, and this is called Have a Nice Day. And take a look at this paper. It is so fun and happy and cute. It has all these smiley faces and all these fun sentiments. I love these stickers too. This is a nice 12 by 12 sticker. And you'll notice here in this one that it has a little bit of detail in this scallop. So that's really fun. All right, I'm going to continue flipping through these pages. Looks like I had a few scraps here so that you can see the whole collection. There's these fun flowers, and then, oh, I love the little smiley face paper, and then the one with the sunshine. Lots of bright, vibrant colors, and just lots of fun. And I think this is great for summertime, kids, teenagers. It's just a good everyday collection that you can use for a lot of things. Look at these fun sentiments. It's cool to smile. When you smile, I smile. Oh, these are so fun. I love cut aparts. Okay, so let me flip through these. Choose happy. I like that one. And then there's those smiley faces. Good vibes. It's a good day to have a good day. That's fun. And then those with the smiley faces inside the florals. Here's some more cut aparts. Your smile makes me happy. I really like that one. Keep smiling. Yeah, these are fun. So this is a look at all the papers. You can see here I have some scraps because I have already cut into this collection previously, but I wanted you to get a good look at the papers. All right, so let me bring back, here's my mixed media. It has dried. And then here's my photo. I am using a 4x6 photo, and then I've matted it on some white cardstock, 4¼ by 6¼ and then I have a larger piece of green cardstock in the back. So what I'm thinking is I have some different strips of paper, and what I'm thinking here is I just want to layer these behind my photo for a very simple layout. So you'll notice the 8.5 by 11 style layout. That is the book that I'm making for my daughter. My normal scrapbooking style is 12 by 12, but this album is specifically for her, and so I like to use this 8.5 by 11 size for her book. All right, so I like the way that looks. So I'm going to go ahead and distress the edges of these pieces off camera. And you'll notice here I did distress those with the distressing tool. And now I've went ahead and glued those down. So I've got the base of the layout already completed. It's already so fun. It just makes me smile. All right, let's take a look at the sticker sheet and see what we can embellish with. I really like this sticker. It says, "Always smile." Now, one thing I like to do is I like to take this powder tool and remove the stick off the stickers. So if you just brush this powder tool on the back of your stickers, then you can move your stickers around like they're die cuts. And that's really fun if you don't know exactly where you want to place things. I know I've seen some people like use wax paper, but that seems like a lot of work to me. I can just brush this powder on the back of all my stickers and then move them around wherever I'd like them. So look at this smiley face. I think that would look cute right here below the picture, just framing that in. And then I like this piece of cardstock, and what I'm thinking is I want to fussy cut some of these smiles. So I went ahead and did that off camera, and I've got them here in my stack and sort tray. And I just want to place these stickers, not stickers, these are the pieces that I cut out, but I want to place these smiley faces just across the top of the photo. And let me see here which colors I want where. I can't really decide, but I think that this is going to look really cute, and it just comes with that playful vibe of the photo. All right, so I want to go ahead and get these stuck down. So I am bringing in some 1mm foam adhesive from scrapbook.com. Now this is the thinnest foam that they offer. And I like using this because it gives just a hint of dimension, but it doesn't make your album or your pages bulky. So I love using that 1mm size for my adhesives. Okay, so I'm going to continue putting all of these circles, these smiley faces down. Aren't those cute? And I'll get the rest of those done off camera. All right, so I have all the smiley faces done, and then off camera I did also add this little banner. It's like this orange colored banner, and I wanted to put it underneath the title just to kind of add a little more color and give a little more interest down here to the title. So I've got that. Now let's take a look at the sticker sheet and see what else I can find. I'm thinking I want a couple more smiley faces. I'll stick this here, but you'll see I do end up removing that one in the end. I thought I wanted to use these with the black outline around them, but that black I feel like is really just bold and standing out. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that one off. Okay, but I know there's some stickers on the sticker sheet that I can use. So I'm gonna continue looking through here. I like the smaller ones better. So I just need to find a place where I can put these smaller ones. And I'm thinking just down here below the title would be a good spot. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a couple of these. And I like that. I like the pink and the green here below the title. So that looks cute. And then I found this word sentiment strip, and this one says, "Have a nice day." So let me add a little bit of adhesive here because I've already taken the stick off of these. And we'll just put that up at the top. So that way you can see here, now I've got a diagonal. I've got the title down in the bottom right, but then with that, adding that little sentiment up in the upper left, it really just draws your eye down and across the page through that diagonal. I do still need to build up that cluster in the upper left-hand corner, but I want to add to my title, and this little sticker that I've chose here is "Your smile makes me happy." So that's cute. All right. And I know I want something else up here in this upper left-hand corner. I'm just going to audition a few of these stickers to see what might work well and see what I can find on here to embellish with. So I'm thinking I want to use this sticker right here. I'm going to cut this border sticker down. I thought that having these yellow smiley faces, if I put this up in the upper left, it would really help draw your eye because I've got the yellow smiley faces down in the lower right. And so I'll place it here, and I like the idea of it, but in the end, I do end up removing this sticker and replacing it with something else. But it looks cute for now, right? So I'll go ahead and just trim the back of that. But it just wasn't sitting well with me. So off camera, I'm going to fuss around with some more pieces and see what I can find. So I did end up removing that, and I found a little banner piece, and then I found another word sentiment strip that says "Be happy." So that's going to finish this page. Products that are available, I do have linked down below in the description box, and I appreciate when you shop my links as that helps support me and my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Hit that like button, subscribe, and share. All those things help me out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!